Asking GPT to write a 100-word email consumes 500 milliliters of water? Apparently, yeah. Let's break it down. So, you know how our phones heat up when you play a game for too long? That's because processing power equals heat. Now, imagine an AI data center. Data center is something that provides the necessary infrastructure to process massive amounts of data required to answer our deep 3 a.m. thoughts like why do we exist? So, these massive data centers generate crazy amounts of heat. And in order to prevent them from overheating, we need cooling, right? So this is where water comes into picture. Lots of it. It's shocking to learn that asking GPT 10 to 50 questions consumes 2 liters of water. And US alone has some 5,000 plus data centers and they're increasing their water usage 17 to 22% every year. Yeah, I do feel guilty spamming GPT with random ass questions every year. So what is the solution here? Firstly, from the perspective of tech giants like Google, Microsoft or Amazon, experts suggest that they need to find ways to reduce the computational demands. They need to come up with innovative cooling methods that don't waste drinking water. In fact, tech giants did promise to be water positive by 2030 using their sustainability programs, meaning they promised to give back more water than they had taken. Cool, right? Well, kinda. The problem is the water is never returned to the place that it was initially taken from. Meaning, let's say AI drinks water from Chile, it might be returned to Canada in future. So it kind of doesn't make sense. Anyways, so what can we do as individuals, right? Number one, be aware of the excessive AI usage. Know that every question that we pose to GPT has some hidden water cost. Number two, stay informed. The more we know about the technological advancements, the more change we can demand. In fact, people are already taking action. For example, in Chile, Google had to scrap like a $200 million data science project after they have faced retaliation from local communities and environmentalists. So final thoughts, AI is awesome and useful and everything, but just like our Snapchat streaks, there is a cost to keeping it going. So be aware, and it's important that we consider the environmental impacts of our digital actions.